This is my pallet wood desk. It's made from a combination of hollow core doors and pallet wood. It is an amazing 9 feet long. The space between the desk right here is 48 inches, which gives me 4 feet of room to have a rolling floor mat for my chair. This gives me plenty of room to roll around on my chair. Don't have to worry about banging my knees. This middle section here is a total of 53.5 inches, and each side measures 27 inches. The pallet wood is from Brazil. It's been heat treated, so it's perfectly safe to use as interior furniture. And the pallet wood was at a granite countertop shop, and they had an advertisement on Craigslist, free pallet wood, because they had so much of it and they didn't know what to do with it. They just wanted people to come and take it. So I went down there and loaded my truck up with the pallet wood. The hollow core doors came from a contractor. He had an ad on Craigslist. He was building a dormitory for a local college, and they had a whole bunch of doors that they didn't use because they were the wrong facing, they were the wrong swinging doors, the door handles were on the wrong side or whatever. So they were throwing them all away in the dumpster. And he was like, screw this. So he took all the doors home and listed them on Craigslist. I had been looking on Craigslist to buy some hollow core doors, and I couldn't find any good ones in my area. So I ended up calling him up and driving out to where he lived, way on the other side of town. But when I got there, he asked how many doors I wanted, and he was selling them for like $5 each. And I said, well, I got $35. How many doors can I have? And he says, well, let's see how many we can fit in your truck. So we loaded my truck up with the doors, and now I got a bunch of doors in my garage. So that's how I got all these hollow core doors. So my wife came in here to visit with me the other day, and she went to lean back against the desk to sit on it, and the whole thing starts sliding all over the place. And I said, wait, stop, it wasn't connected yet. So needless to say, she wasn't very happy. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this. Could have been worse. At least the stain was dry. I've already got a couple brackets on here underneath the main part of the desk. So I just need to push this up here where I want it, take the drawer out, and screw this up in here to get this secure. So we'll take this drawer out and I'll show you how I built this drawer here. Kind of heavy though, it's a big one. So you can see here, this door is all built from scraps. This is from some IKEA cabinets, and this is just some scrap wood here that I all put together. And then I took some MDF and I used it to cut the tracks. So all the tracks are made from MDF. And then I put furniture wax in there to get them to have a nice smooth slide. Yeah, not too bad. This is a pretty heavy drawer, really loaded down with stuff, and you can see how easy it slides. It holds up and pulled all the way out here. Holds up pretty good. So this bottom part, this was made from scrap wood, and these were made from pieces from an IKEA cabinet. This was from an IKEA cabinet, an old IKEA cabinet. And I used a faux painting technique to get a little bit of a wood grain effect on there. Here's a close-up of the desk. You can see the really nice grain that the wood had, and then all the imperfections. Those are the nail holes. These were knots that fell out, and I put wood fill in. Some of the knots are still there. They got a real nice look. Got this really nice wavy grain. You got this really nice hash mark grain. I just cut all these pieces down and put them together like a butcher block board. I have over 100 video clips here of my pallet wood desk project. So this isn't going to be something I'm going to be able to put together in one video. I'm going to make a series on it, about 3 or 4 different videos on how I built my pallet wood desk and how I use pallet wood and hollow core doors together to make a nice lightweight, solid desk. I'm also have another couple projects I'm working on. I'm going to be building a pallet wood countertop for my laundry room, and I'm also going to be taking a couple of hollow core doors and cutting them down and wrapping them with some vinyl, some marble vinyl, to make a sit-stand desk for my wife with a lift kit that we got from IKEA, so she can raise her desk up and down to sit and stand at it. So there's a few different projects, from the more advanced to cutting up all the pallet wood to something simpler like just cutting down and wrapping a hollow core door. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. All right, thanks for watching.